Good evening, everybody. Welcome to Officers Adda 247. Today, in this particular session, we will be specifically talking about the IIBF certifications and why you must enroll in at least one of the certification and how you will be having the access of various certification courses which are being offered by IIBF. How Officers Adda 247 will be helping you, that also will be discussing in the end. So, let's get started. First of all, if you do not have any idea that from where you can access those certification courses or the offerings by the IIBF, directly move on to the website of IIBF via typing IIBF in the web browser. So, you will have the Indian Institute of Banking and Finance website here. Just click on that particular website and you will be redirected to the home page of IIBF. Now here you will find n number of information related to membership, examination courses, academics, training and professional development centers. Our area of interest will be the examination and courses. Here you will find the courses at glance, provisional scorecard and various types of examinations and courses. Now I want to highlight one thing, that the type of examination which I will be informing you, they fall under the remote proctored mode. Fine. Remote proctored mode means what? You will be attempting that particular exam at your own place. So, you will be monitored via the camera of your device, along with that the microphone which is being used in your device, but the particular device or the setup will be yours. So, you do not need to go to any examination center to attempt that particular exam. Fine. So, under the examination you will be having self-paced or the e-learning courses. Then flagship course, as most of you must be knowing, for JAIIB and CAIIB we have the these type courses in the flagship course. Then diploma course you have for the treasury investment, advanced wealth management and diploma in urban cooperative banking, along with that international banking and finance. When you talk about the blended courses, then you have the certified banking compliance professional and certified banking compliance professional revised syllabus. Again, this is the old one, this is the new one. Now starts the interesting thing, that is the certificates. Fine. Everyone wants to have the upgradation of knowledge, upgradation of skills in their career, be it the banking career or for that matter any kind of career you are following. These certificates, be it the normal certificates or for that matter certificates in the RPE mode, they will serve as one of the key areas where you must focus on if you are very serious for the upgradation of your skills. So, there are various certificate examinations for the various you can say specialists. Here you will find the certificate exam in microfinance, then certificate exam for small finance bank, specialist officers of bank and BCBF as well. But when we talk about the RPE mode, you will be having the entire gamut of all those important verticals in your bank, which will be helpful for you to enhance your chances of promoting yourself in the ladder, up in the ladder in the examinations. Fine. In bank, you will find specific vertical for microfinance. One certificate is there for that. Then for IT, you have the emerging technologies. Then AML KYC, you have the KYC norms to be dealt with by the bankers on day-to-day basis. CCP, that is certified credit professional. Advances section specifically talks about the credit only. Risk management, a particular vertical which is highly important for the banks. It is also being covered via a particular IIBF certification course. Foreign exchange, another vertical for the banks, and the most interesting one I would say, the personal choice, but you might find it tricky as well. Certificate examination in information system. Again, see, when we talk about the emerging technologies, some part will be there in the IT for information system as well. Certificate in international trade finance, may be related to the foreign financial activities as well. Now comes your MSME, which is the backbone of Indian economy, and it has been designated a separate vertical in the banks. Strategic management, innovation in banking, directly you can relate with the technological aspects. Prevention of cyber crime, fraud management, again this cyber crime is highly important, and when we talk about the fintech department of various institutions, this particular problem or this particular menace has to be dealt via those designated portfolios. Certified treasury professional, treasury department, treasury management is a vertical in the bank. Wealth management. Then you have the audit professional, certified accounting and audit professional, auditing, how it happens in the banks, how the audit is important and why it is there in the banking structure. Certificate examination in IT security. All of you who are having the background of IT, or for that matter, you have already qualified CAIIB with IT elective. Here is one of the low hanging certificate for all of you. Then certificate course in digital banking, I would say, again for those guys who have the IT elective, they have qualified that elective, or for that matter you are from the IT background, up for grabs the certificate course in digital banking. Then lastly we have the certificate course on resolution of stressed assets with special emphasis on IBC 2016, Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code 2016 for the bankers. All of you who have worked in credit profiles, they must acknowledge this fact that the resolution of stressed assets, or for that matter how you will be recovering the NPAs, the NPA management, how you will be doing that, it forms the backbone of your you can say credit system, because ultimately you are going with the credit flow, starting off the processes with credit flow, but ultimately if the amount is not reflected back in the bank books, it is of no use, along with the rate of interest which a bank must earn. All those nuances, all those important factoids, important guidelines, regulations will be covered under this certificate course. Now why I am telling you all about these certificates? Because time and again bankers ask us that once we have cleared JAIIB, CAIIB, we have various promotional exams in our banks, respective banks. We sit in the written examination, we clear it with good margin, but somewhere down the line in the interview we are unable to breach the mark. Why it is happening time and again and again, the same scenario is being repeated? Because the interviewer or the interview panel is picking all those employees of banks or your colleagues in the banks for higher position who are having the skill upgradation on annual basis. Fine. The process via which you will be having those promotions, they will be interested in what kind of educational qualification you have, what kind of experience you have, not only in number of years but the exposure, the skills which you have acquired while working in the branches, the skills which you have acquired beyond the branches, all that matters. So we at Officers Adda, we want to tell you that yes, these are the certificates which you can think of clearing and qualifying, and after that adding them in your you can say professional background, so that next time when you appear in the interview for the promotion from, let's say, scale 3 to 4, 4 to 5, definitely these certificates will give you a good background for clearing the interview with good margin and finally becoming the particular you can say senior manager, or for that matter AGM in your banks. Okay, so when we talk about when these examinations will be held, we have seen various exams. Now let's move on to the dates of these examinations. So IIBF is quick to update the dates, and here you have the notice in front of you for all the remote proctored mode examination, the certificate examination, which will be held between July to September. We already have the dates. You will be surprised to know that today, that is 30th of June, already the registration has started. Till 6th of July you can register, and the exam date will be 12 days from today, that is 12th July. The exams will be held on 2nd and 4th Saturday, that's the norm. Okay, every time the exam is there, it is either on the 2nd Saturday or the 4th Saturday of every month. For you can say 26th July exam, the registration will be between 14th to 20th July. And IIBF has bifurcated the certificates according to the months. In July, you will be having these examinations: Certified Treasury Professional, then CRFS Level 1, then you have CAAP, that is a Certified Accounting and Audit Professional exam. Then we have the foundation course for basics of microfinance, IT security, then information system bankers, and then IBC 2016. Fine. This is the very I would say interesting course if you want to have a good background for the stressed assets. Then certificate in strategic management and innovation in banking, along with the certificate in emerging technologies. All these examinations will be held in July. So what about the examination which will be held between August and September? These are the exam dates. To 23rd of August your exam will be there, registration for which will start from 11th August till 17th of August. Now these examinations are certificate examination in MSME, that is the first exam you have. Then we have the prevention of cyber crimes and fraud management, again very important. CCP, another you can say aspect under the advances section which you cannot miss. Then we have the certificate course in foreign exchange, AML KYC for all those, I would say, bankers, specifically for the junior associates. This is very important. Certificate course in digital banking and the certificate in international trade finance, ITF. So I hope that via this session you are able to know what kind of courses are available on the IIBF website and why you should be going towards these courses. What is the significance for you in these courses? Now let's move on to the final part of this video, how Officers Adda 247 will be helping you in your exam preparation. So we at Adda 247 have dedicated courses for all these important certificate course. Let me show you, not for every course but the most important ones we have. And in the upcoming months, that is July, August, we will be updating with more certificate courses. So just go on the website Adda 247, click on all courses, JAIIB CAIIB IIBF certification courses, and you can see for yourself the list. It starts from CCP, then we have course for AML KYC, MSME, and for Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code 2016. Now why you should be going for these courses which are offered by Adda 247? Simple thing, you guys do not have time. The leverage of time is not there with you being the working professional. The targeted approach which is required to clear these examination is being implemented via these courses, all these courses I would say. And when we talk about the hit ratio, that whether we are able to gauge the level of difficulty from one cycle and we have replicated in these courses, definitely the hit ratio is huge when we talk about the various certification courses. So we are able to luckily guess whatever is important and what you can leave for later stage. So when you talk about the perfect course for you, it will be IIBF certification Mahapack, wherein you will be getting all the relevant certificate courses. What all courses will be included? It will include your CCP, Certified Credit Professional, AML KYC, anti-money laundering, or you can say your know your customer. Third one, MSME, micro, small and medium enterprises. Fourth one, the IBC 2016. These 4 courses will be available in your IIBF certification Maha Pack. Just click on buy now if you want to enroll and fill your personal details. For maximum discount, what you can do is enter the coupon code, that is Y1003, hit on apply, and you will see a drastic reduction in the overall prices. So after applying the discounts for 4 IIBF certification courses, this will be the price. And mind it, right now we have 4 certificate courses with us, along with 2 you can say live recorded videos course as well. So in total 6 courses will be accessible if you enroll in this Maha Pack. But in the upcoming months we will be adding certain more courses so that the gamut of courses which are being offered to you will increase. Okay, so apart from this information, there is one more important information for all of you, that these are the certification courses which we already have, plus we have the books as well. These are the 2 books if you are targeting your practice for AML KYC or for that matter MSME certificate. So in these books you will be having more than 1800 MCQs. Along with that you will have 5 full length mock tests, so that before examination you can have a good level of practice as well. Okay. CCP is also there. When we talk about the book for CCP, the master guide for book is also there. I think it is out of stock due to huge demand. Okay, demand is huge right now because after the CAIIB examination, people are looking for more avenues to upskill themselves. Okay, along with that, IT security and cyber crime and fraud management, these are the 2 video courses which are available at our platform. Fine. So if you have any kind of doubt, you can just ask me. And if you are watching this as the recorded video, do let me know in the comment section whatever doubt you have, and we'll resolve those doubts. We will reply to you as soon as possible. Okay. So on that note, we'll meet in next session. Till then, goodbye. Take care.